Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking Mercedes GLA. It's the Premium Plus model, so it's practically got every extra on it. It's got a lovely upgraded grille on it there, the black pack, night pack, front park distance control, upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, tilt and slide panoramic roof, rear park distance control, the AMG body styling on it, side steps. This car does not look or drive anywhere near what the mileage. It's been very well looked after. Electric tailgate, boot area is in lovely condition, parcel shelf, full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats, automatic headlights, just started up, 6-speed gearbox, heated seats, map on there, we've got satellite navigation, really is fully loaded. DJH are full dealer facilities. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.